can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good family? Welcome back to Addictio for another video. Today we're gonna be getting into this drop list for week 2. Honestly, they took a little break between week 1 and week 2, and it was well deserved because my pockets needed some breathing after week 1. We splurged, and if you would like to see everything that I picked up, I'll leave a link up here. I did recently do the unboxing. That's where I got this beanie. But if you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Don't forget to click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. I do want to say before we get started that we are currently running a small giveaway. This is just a token of protection for you guys. Like, if you're trying to win one of these masks, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and send me proof that you're subscribed on my Instagram, which is up there, and you will have a chance to win one of these masks. There's gonna be 3 winners and the giveaway is gonna last a week. Also, if you guys do end up enjoying this giveaway from Profound Aesthetics, I will go ahead and do another one with more masks. So for this specific list, we're gonna start from the top of the list and work our way down to the dookie pieces. Normally I do it the other way around, but I feel like I want to talk about the good shit first and then we'll talk about the booty shit at the end. So at the top of this list, we got the metal folding chair. Yo, I got hella peanuts in my mouth. Pause. Yo, that's hella gay.
Hey yo, what the fuck?
This is the baby shower chair, the your kid just turned 1 year old party chair. Like, this shit is seen everywhere. Whenever you're gonna go to rent a chair, this is what you're gonna get. This chair is actually fire though, bro. I would get the red one just to stand out a little bit because typically the chairs are either a dark gray or a black. So I would definitely go for the red one, but I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I'll take whichever one comes my way. Now, if this chair is over $100, they could smoke a whole tip. Run the clip.
Go and fuck a dick.
Yeah, they could lick a tip if they trying to charge $100 for this. I'm good on all that, but low-key, the Nike collaboration is fire, bro. I was definitely expecting some sneakers with the collab, which is kind of weird that they're not dropping kicks on the second week of Supreme. If you go back in the history, they usually do a Vans collab, a Nike collab on the second week, so it's kind of weird that they're not doing it. But honestly, that shit don't even matter because the apparel that's coming out is lit. Like, this shit is fire, bro. So we got a bunch of items dropping from the Nike collaboration, and honestly, each and every item is fire. And I feel like low-key, this is one of the better Nike collabs that we've seen as of lately. The colors that they chose are fire. That black, the orange, and the white. I'm gonna go ahead and just get into it, but definitely a fan of the whole collection. I would definitely give it at least like a 8.7 out of 10. But according to Supreme Community, the best item dropping from the collection is the Crewneck, and I see why, bro. It has the Nike swoosh with the little Supreme branding over it. Bro, I love this shit. This shit is clean. I typically don't even buy Crewnecks, and this is one of the ones that would make me wanna buy a Crewneck. This orange colorway is bananas in my opinion, bro. I definitely love this one right here, and I feel like as time goes on, these pieces will go up so much. When it comes to these kind of collabs, at first they don't do that great, and then as time goes on, bro, these shits skyrocket. I feel like Nike and Supreme, you can't go wrong with it, especially when they do these strong collaborations. But this Crewneck right here definitely will have at least $50 to $60 resell. Retail's probably gonna be like $148, which is kind of steep. For me, I would definitely go for that black colorway or the orange one. Second up, we got probably my favorite piece from the whole collection, and it's this jacket right here. This is the one that I did cover before the season even started. This one's actually hard, bro. You got that Supreme with the Nike swoosh under it, that in the middle. This is an anorak, and I feel like this one is fire, bro. It's actually reversible as well, bro. You can't go wrong with this shit right here. That orange one, the minty blue, come on, this shit is just clean. I feel like retail for this is gonna be at least $238, which is on the pricier side, but if you think about it, bro, you have 2 jackets in one. It's Supreme and Nike, and you can reversible this bitch. Like, bro, that's clean in itself. Like, this black color is nuts. This is like an everyday jacket that you can't go wrong with. Huge fan of this one right here. Resell is gonna be there for sure, bro. At first it might not be there completely, but if you're willing to hold some of these items, just know that you will be sitting on some money. But honestly, why would you even want to resell these shits? These pieces are so fire. Next, we got the pewter mini flask in case you're trying to get litty 3 titties in here. You could fit a couple shots in this bitch. I don't even even know how big this is. It's 1.5 ounces. What the fuck are you supposed to put in this? Shit is like this big. I don't know, but you could probably get litty a little bit. Like you could get minor litty with this right here. This is actually not bad because the logo is like embedded on the actual flask. If I buy this, bro, it's probably just gonna collect dust up here. Eventually I am gonna have like a way better setup behind me where I could display my accessories, but as of now I'm just putting shit back there and letting it stack. I feel like this is another accessory that I could add to my collection. If it's not too expensive, I'll definitely go for it. $70, they could keep that shit, bro. Like low key, they could drink their own pee out this shit. Like I'm not paying 70 to 100 for this. It's not happening, bro. So we do have these shorts coming out with the Nike on it. These shits are fire as well. I feel like next summer these are gonna be banging. So if you're trying to pay resale for these, definitely do it while it's winter time, because when summer hits, these prices gonna hit. These colorways are definitely fire. If I was to buy a piece from the collection, it would either be the jacket or these shorts right here. Definitely in the black, because I could just wear it with anything. I feel like it goes with so much. And if you have Jordans in your collection, you could throw these shorts on, throw some Jordans on, call it a day with a simple little tee and killing it, bro. You don't got to do the most. But we also do have the S logo set coming out. I feel like the S logos you could never go wrong with, but at this point I already own 2 S logos, so realistically, do I need another one? Not really. So there's more important shit releasing this week in my opinion, like the baby shower chair, everything from Nike. That mini flask, if it's cheap, I'll take it too. This S logo isn't bad. That gray one is fire with the little red S. If you didn't notice, the S on it has mini box logos making up the S, which is actually a pretty clean design in my opinion for the S logo. For me, bro, I don't really think I need this. You have that ash gray color, which is pretty clean, and then you have the gray, the black, the navy. All of those are really fire colorways. I just don't think I need it. You're gonna have the sweatpants as well. I'll probably have the picture for both up here. I feel like as time goes on, some of these colorways will end up doing good. Maybe the ash gray with the red on it, that one might creep up in prices. We do got these ripstop pants from the Nike collection. These are alright, bro. These are supposed to match the jacket. These shits are reversible, bro. Come on. These shits are fire, bro. It's reversible, and on the opposite side, it has a Supreme spell out down the leg. These shits are hot. Yo, this whole collection is a vibe. I just hope this season is like this Nike collection. Like, this shit is fire. We got these military camp caps coming out. Honestly, I don't know how I feel about this one, the camo one specifically. Like, those boxes are not doing it for me. I am a fan of that olive with the red box logo on it. That one's pretty clean. Or the black on black, you can't go wrong with. Those are both fire. But I want to say that if you guys do want to increase your chances at succeeding on this week for Supreme, you should definitely go ahead and check out addictio. They are going to be restocking in like a week or two, and if you are interested in checking them out, I will leave a link at the top of the description where you could sign up for their newsletter, go on their website and see what they're about. I definitely recommend you guys to just give it a shot and see what's up with it, because they do typically end up copying every week for some users, so you can go ahead and increase your chances to go ahead and succeed on some of these items. They do cover like 85 different stores as well, from Kith, Supreme, Bape, Undefeated, and a bunch more that you definitely want to go ahead and check out. They cost like $130, but with my promo code you can get 10% off, but they are out of stock as of this very moment. When they do restock, you can go ahead and check it out if you want to. They are just another option to go ahead and increase your chances on these weekly drops. I definitely recommend you guys to still go manual, but have the bot running as well. That way you have double the chance at succeeding at some of these items. But if you are interested, the link will be at the top of the description. They're gonna restock on September 15th if I'm not mistaken. The restock will be super limited, but without any further ado, let's get back into this video. We got a couple more items to go over, like the Receipt rayon shirt. I feel like this rayon shirt will do good as time goes on. This is one of those where a lot of people will sleep on it, or this shit will sell out super fast. It's either one or the other, and as time goes on, the prices for this shit, especially in that white colorway, will skyrocket, bro. Rayon shirts typically do good as time goes on, because when springtime comes, summertime comes, people will still want to be hype beasts, but they'll want to do it in like a fancier way, and that's when they find this shirt right here to do the job for them. I feel like this shit is alright, bro. I don't know if my nipples will be in this shirt right here, but some people might enjoy that shit. Like, I'm good on it, but you might be feeling this shit. We do got the last piece from the Nike collection, and it's this soccer jersey. If I'm being honest, I'm good on all that shit. Like, I don't really wear soccer jerseys or like polos and shit like that, so if this is your cup of tea, I feel like you should be good on buying this. Like, nobody's really going for this, at least in my opinion. I'm definitely just good. I'm removed from the situation recommendation when it comes to this bitch. Like, this is low-key kind of dookie in my opinion, but it is just my opinion. You might like this shit. I feel like this won't resell at all, but we do got the dyed basketball shorts and the jersey. These are I feel like they dropped this in the wrong season. Like, low-key, this should have been last season, but they probably didn't get it cleared in time or some bullshit. This Knicks colorway on the jersey and the shorts is kind of fire. I was born in New York, so that's probably why I'm like leaning towards that one, but it's alright. It's nothing too special if I'm being honest. I'll probably end up sleeping on that one as well. We got the Street Scene Jacquard short sleeve, which isn't that bad. I feel like this one is better in like the colorful color, not that green one. The green one is definitely a pass, but the other one isn't that bad. We got this sweater, which if you follow the Supreme trends, you know that this sweater right here might be bricks, or they either sell out fast as shit, slight bars, but these end up doing good. I don't know what it is, but they dropped a chair with this same like vibe to it, and the shit is going for beans right now. They dropped a jacket with the design on it, and it's going for beans right now. So this shit might go ahead and do the same, especially in that black colorway. I don't know what it is about it, but we got the marble track jacket and the pants coming out this week. This shit is so cheeks, bro. Like, I don't even, bro. This is the dookiest piece of the week. This shit is so buns. I don't know. You might like this shit. I'm not a fan. This logo pattern 6-panel is the last item. I got some shit in my eye, bro. It's probably that marble jacket. This piece right here is kind of dookie, bro. This shit got a million logos on it, and every logo is ass, bro. It's just too much going on one hat. Low-key, I can't see myself wearing that shit or buying that shit or seeing that shit. It's just ass, bro. It's overall just like dookie smoothie. Like, it's just, no. It's not happening, bro. If y'all did enjoy this video, slap a fat like on it down below. If y'all get this to 200 likes, I will have a giveaway coming for you guys shortly, I promise. It's gonna be something slight before the major giveaway. I'm trying to do a big giveaway soon, but I'm gonna probably give away like some gloves, a shower cap, something simple, and then I'll bring you guys like a bag giveaway or some shit like that. I don't even know yet. Get 200 likes on this video and I will get that moving for you. Don't forget to join the Profound Aesthetics masks giveaway. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Let me know what kind of videos you would like me to make in the comments below. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.